Hey sunshines! If you're new here, I'm Day, and these lovely people that you see here is my mom and my sister Alicia. These are the materials that I used to complete my mother's knotless box braids. I will link them all down below. I really took my time parting my mother's hair because I really wanted the parts to be nice and neat. When you're parting box braids or knotless box braids, you want to think of bricks and make sure they're stagnant and not right on top of each other. This helps the braided hairstyle look a lot more fuller. This is not really a tutorial, I just wanted to show you guys the process of me completing her knotless box braids. With knotless box braids, you want to start by braiding down the person's real hair. This takes away the bulky look that the weave gives at the root of the hair. When you do regular box braids, it's really the benefit of doing knotless braids because they look like they're coming out of the person's scalp. And I really learned by trial and error. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, but I had to do it for myself to actually fully grasp the concept. So what I would do is I would braid down her hair, 1 2 3, add a piece of hair, and then braid down her hair again, 1 2 3, add another piece of hair, braid down her hair one more time, and then add another piece of hair. So I will add 3 pieces of weave to the braid because you want it to look full, like it really came out of her scalp, and you want it to gradually get a little bit bigger and fuller like it would if you were braiding her real hair. So that's the thing that you want to be consistent with when you're doing knotless box braid. So like I said, this is not really a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I braided my mom's hair, and I really loved how it came out. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video. I just wanted to show you guys I really enjoyed doing it, and I loved how it came out. And so sunshines, this completes this video. I hope you liked her hair as much as I do. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also go ahead and comment and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Remember, never compare, be inspired, and let your light shine. Thank you for watching. God bless.